To make a Mother's Day card, we've got our piece of card. This time I have white, and you could do a card for Mum. Now for this, if you had a button, you could use a button, put that in the center, and you could draw a flower around the edge. So I'm going to start with maybe this in the center, draw a little circle, and then I'm going to draw a little flower, and you could draw whatever you wanted. You could draw love hearts for this one and stick them down. I'm just drawing kind of like what we did during in the first class of this term, where we drew our own flowers. So we all did different types of flowers, but you could look back at that lesson. So I cut in here and cut in here. So see, I'm going right in, and you're going to cut all the way around. And there. Now, I save all these little bits because I'll definitely be able to use them for a project at another time. Now, if you've got lots of marker on yours, you can always turn it around that side, but I kind of like seeing the marker, so I'm just going to lay it down like that. And if I have a button, let me have a look and see what colors I have. I might put this purple button on top. Now again, remember, if you have your needle and thread, you can sew that down, but you don't have to. You could also just glue it down in place. You mightn't want to use a button at all. You might want to use something else entirely. So I'm just going to go up, going in one side and out the other. This button's just got 2 holes in it. So when I come out this side, I could almost just do a little knot there, but I'll just go through here. And like so. Now, so then we can stick that down for our Mother's Day card. So put a little bit of glue in it. Remember, you just need to give things a little bit of time to dry, so that it's not sticking down straight away. Just give it a little minute. Stick it down there like that. And then we can write Happy Mother's Day. So I'm going to put the happy here. Mother's Day. You could even do some little butterflies or other things on it if you wanted as well. For another project. So that's how to make a little felt hearted. So that's how to make a little felt flower Mother's Day card. If you want to make envelopes for these cards, there is going to be a video below this as well, which will show you how to make your own envelopes. So I hope you've enjoyed those projects, and I will see you next term. Bye.